Hey guys, it's Larry. Thought I'd give you a shot to see how I would go about building the project. I'm as lost as you. Um, so I decided just I'm gonna build a site for this. She's this young classical world class pianist. She already has an existing site, and I'm gonna build a kind of a similar thing from this site. I'm gonna steal ideas from this site. So if I go to her homepage, first of all, just kind of check out, see if this is something I want to replicate. Um, wow, that's kind of cool. Okay, this site's a little bit more than I would be able to build in a short period of time. Pretty involved, but okay. I'm looking for ideas right now, and I'm going to be stealing a lot of her content. Okay, I'm going to do a homepage, and I'm going to be doing a blog that is apparently her news page. Let's see, I would expect to see some blog articles in there. Oh, this is there's something funny going on with their website. Okay, calendar. Okay, a calendar of events. Okay, right. All right, cool. I'm going to use that for one of my pages. Certainly, I'll grab this content here about her. Very cool. Excellent. I'll do my best to design it nicely. We'll see. At least I got content. Oh, and I can even probably have a page for, let's see, for some audio files. We'll see. I don't know how difficult that will be. But okay, I've got a bunch of ideas here that I am going to emulate. I'm just going to start with this, as this site is giving me a sort of as my mock-up. So earlier I was looking around for nice free WordPress themes for musicians, and although it doesn't have to be built that way, I could probably just use any old theme. Any theme can be built, can be made to look like any other theme, but it's nice to have a good start. So I looked around and I found a bunch of them that weren't actually free. They were $59 or $69, which is really worth it, but I'm not going to pay right now. I want to do it with a free theme. And the one that I think I've made a decision on, let's just keep going, is one called, let's see, where is it? Add theme, called Athena. So I'm going to install it and try to figure it out. And first of all, I got to activate it. Assume that I built a child theme. I'm going to try to do this without any edits right now, just to get it going. So, let's see what our site looks like, or my site, with this new Athena thing. Oh, kind of looks like that. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm going to be filling in this area with pictures of Yuja Wang, probably, and, oh, slides. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Okay, I can probably have some text here that I can edit somehow. Very cool. Okay, and so where on her site, Yuja's site, we have the latest calendar about. I guess I could go in here. Oh, I could probably make these 3 boxes about events or whatever. I got 3 things, 3 sections of the site that I could fill in here somehow. That's cool. And then down here, I'll probably fill in. This is a post. I'll probably get rid of that and just put in some text for the home page. So I'm ready to start. I don't know what I'm going to do with my header, or where the header actually is here, but I'm going to find out. Okay, now every theme's going to be different. I'm going to, let's just add a primary menu. I don't really have a menu, so I'm going to go about creating one. But first of all, I'm going to create the pages and add new pages, just some blank pages for now. And I'm going to turn the video off while I set up a home page, an events page, a listen page, or whatever other page, an about page, and a contact page. How about that? Okay, so after about 5 minutes of creating a bunch of blank pages, some likely pages that I'm going to build, nothing's ever in stone here. We can always change our mind. I created a menu as well, and I've assigned it to my primary location. Cool. So what did that do? Put my menu up here, obviously. All right, so I'm not crazy about the way that menu looks, but that's kind of cool. Apparently there's some e-commerce built into this. I'm going to work on this logo now. So I showed you guys a logo maker. I like this one at Logo Garden, and I am going to create one really quick. And make my free logo. I'll just come up with it. I'm going to stop the video and show you my finished product. Hopefully this will only take me a couple minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes I made this kind of cheesy looking logo here with a tagline, a real cheesy one, that's for sure. Sound, sight, and soul. Well, all that stuff I can fix later. I just want to get something up there. So I downloaded this logo that they created for me for free, and so I need to get it back up onto my site somewhere. Where's my site? Oh, let's go to my site. Okay, and a good place to look, first of all, to change out this logo would be here. Let's see if they have a header, a logo. Yeah, they got a logo and title here, right here. So let's see, site title. All right, let's make this simple. Site icon, site title. Select image, and I'm going to see if I can just drag this up in here. Oh, cool. Select. Let's see if. I think this is trying to make a favicon, which is okay. I'll just use this and crop the image. And cool. So how do I add my logo? I don't know. Let's see what happens when I publish. Oh, I get my little favicon up here. Oh, how cute. So I got to do a little work, figure out how I change out this. I'm going to stop the video right now and try to figure that out. Okay, well, I found out how to upload my logo. It was right in front of me, and that looks awful. So I'll have to go back and fix that, as well as the way this header looks in general. Make some decisions on that later. So what's be next here? A big one. Let's see if I can grab some images for this slideshow, because that's a pretty important feature, obviously, for my website. Oh, so I found my slideshow. Very lucky. Slider. Let's see here. Slide 1 and slide 2. Is that all I get, or 2 slides? Maybe I can add. Oh, they only give me 2. That's kind of a disappointment. But that's maybe all I need. So I got to go grab some images of Yuja Wang. And I guess I would search for images of Yuja Wang. And she's very photographic. So I should have no problem scraping some content. You wouldn't do this for real. I mean, you have the. I think these photos have to be licensed, or you have to buy them. But I'll grab some of my favorite images of her and put them up in the slideshow next. Won't do that now. I'm going to do that in my next video. And in that video, I am going to complete the slider, and I'm going to work on these 3 boxes here and see if I can get that done real quick. Thanks.